wagging their tails and bopping their heads. One spun fast and tumbled with a yelp. Oops, he landed in a pile of felt. Mama called the vet and the vet said, "No more rolling, time for bed." Four silly puppies flipping all around, chasing their tails, spinning on the ground. One tripped over a big fluffy shoe. Oops, he rolled, whoops, I do. Mama called the vet and the vet said, "Calm down, puppies, snuggle instead." Three silly puppies jumping like a frog, bouncing up high, barking at the clock. One leaped far and lost his way. Oops, he landed on a pile of hay. Mama called the vet and the vet said, "Time to rest, little heads." Two silly puppies playing peekaboo, rolling, tumbling, what a view. One got dizzy, sat with a thud. Oops, he slipped in the puppy mud. Mama called the vet and the vet said, "Cozy up, it's bedtime soon." One little puppy yawning oh so wide, snuggled in bed, eyes open wide. No more rolling, no more play.